I also gained self-confidence then on stage, being on stage. Yeah. Thanks. Kasi this is nostalgic for the people who grew up with this. And this is a very new story for the people who are curious about it. Kasi it's a story about 5 boys in college tuloy, in high school, learning what it actually is to be a man, what it actually is to grow up in. And of course, we respect the time period in 80s. And yeah, I've gotten din some messages from my mga titos and titas na, oh, you're doing Bagets. What character are you playing? I'm doing yung kay Sir Raymond Lauchenko. Sabi niya, oh, okay. Sabi nila na panonoorin namin kasi we grew up watching that. Even my professors in college, they grew up watching that and I'll give them tickets. Kung pwede lang po Pero yeah, yan lang naman po.
Ayun, maraming salamat, Lady.
Wala kaming work ni Alexa together and wala, ganun talaga. Like, sometimes hindi talaga binibigyan yung mga iba ng work. And I understand it naman kasi there are other people din, there are other artists din. But ang akin lang naman, as long as me and Alexa, we're good
Yeah, you're good.
behind the camera. We don't have to really show anything in public.
Parang you were both naman thriving separately and that's okay,
Yeah,
diba?
that's super okay sa amin kasi ang amin, gusto namin mag-grow. Syempre, meron together. And meron din apart.
Of course,
Kasi
of course.
if you don't grow as an individual, dapat, you should really grow as
And
an
it doesn't
individual.
always have to be in front of people, diba?
Yeah, it doesn't always have to be in front of people. Hindi ibig sabihin na hindi kami
Nakikita.
hindi kami nagpapakita sa mga tao, wala na. Like, so yeah, kailangan may mga chismosa kasi na.
Totoo.